Hello, and welcome to Your Well-Connected World. What we would like to do today is take you beyond the copier and see how to make your humble office copier your hardest working, lowest paid employee. Here are some really clever automated functions that will allow your copier to be more productive. Let's start with scanning documents to searchable PDF format. That means that every word, name or number is searchable. Now at the desktop, here is the PDF document we just scanned. We can now search for the word award. Here it is highlighted. It really is as simple as pressing one button to produce a fully searchable PDF document, meaning you'll never lose an important document again. You can scan your paper documents to a fully editable Word doc. Press the Scan to Word button to start the process. Now at the desktop, here is the document. As you can see, the document has kept its formatting and is now fully editable. It really is as simple as pressing one button to produce a fully searchable Word document, meaning you'll never lose an important document again. You can scan your paper documents, creating an Excel doc allowing you to create spreadsheets with data you can manipulate. Press the Scan to Excel button to start the process. Now, at the desktop, here is the Excel document. Can you imagine how time-consuming it would be to retype all this information? All the data is in the correct cells and all you have to do is apply your formulas. It really is as simple as pressing one button to produce an Excel spreadsheet from a paper doc that will save you time and money by not typing and letting your copier do all the hard work. If you would like a free demonstration on how your copier can save you time, money and make your business more efficient, please call us on 9472 3722.